Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my video. So today we are doing our end of the month side hustle. So we are going to be doing eBay and Mercari. I have no idea why I just put eBay income. I should have just did side hustle like I did last month. But anyways, I hope y'all are all doing great. I am currently, while you're watching this, I am driving down to Disney and we are vlogging. Hopefully, fingers crossed that there will be a vlog coming after this video. But anyways, so that is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing the eBay income. We're going to be stuffing some of our cash envelopes, which is always great. So let's go ahead and get started right away. If you're new to my channel, I do these once a month at the end of the month just to see how much we have made, and it's always fun to have extra money to go towards savings or debt or anything like that. So income, we have eBay and Mercari. So eBay, we have $188. Oh, see, I already messed up. $188. And then Mercari is $89. So that is a total of $277 profit. And that is actually how much we are going to be stuffing today. But Mercari is a little different, so I'm not going to do a complete breakdown of that because usually I only get paid the profit. And then the shipping is already taken out. So then they like break it down where I already know how much much money I'm going to make for just total profit. So we're not going to break that down, but total profit for Mercari is $89. Now, eBay, we are going to break it down from shipping and fees. And then the total, not the total profit, but it should be the total income before all of these. But we'll get to there. All right, so for shipping, it was a lot, you guys. It was $131.20. How crazy is that, you guys? That is a lot of money for shipping. And I think I shipped maybe close to almost 30 items this month, which is great. It just blows my mind how much shipping is. Somebody was telling me that I should try Pirate Ship or something like that. Some of it is a little bit cheaper than eBay shipping, so we'll have to check that out next month. All right, so moving on to fees. So that is like ad fees, eBay fees that they take out after each sale. So that was $50.73. So ad fees is pretty much like what I promote. It's a promotional listing and it takes a percentage out. And then there's additional fees, which is something that eBay just automatically takes out every time you make a sale. All right, so let's just add all of these together and with the $188. So that is going to be 188 plus 131.20 cents plus 50.73 equals $369.93, you guys. That is how much we are supposed to make if, shipping doesn't exist, if fees and promotion doesn't exist. $369.93. That is incredible. As you can see, that has dwindled down to a profit of $188, which is totally fine because we do have another income source because of Mercari. So that is why we get to jump up closer to that $300 mark. Not there, but it is a start. So as always, we always going to be taking 20% out for taxes. So that is with YouTube tax, eBay taxes, Mercari, which I don't think I'm not going to reach the $600 mark for Mercari this month because I'm only literally like, I don't know, it's very, very cheap. I think only like $100 and something is how much I have made so far. So this is my YouTube taxes. I'm going to set this aside because I'm not sure why I haven't counted this out or set it away. So that's 100 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, and 77. So it was a good month on my part. I thoroughly enjoyed it. It was a lot of work, but hard work pays off, and I get to do some extra money on this. In the future, hopefully my goal is to be a full-time reseller, but that is going to be way, way in the future. I don't have plans on quitting my salary job just yet. All right, so here's our YouTube taxes that we took out of the envelope, and 20% of our earnings. I messed up. 277 minus 0.20 is $55.40. So we are going to be doing $55. Let's go ahead and do that. Write that in, and we're going to go 20, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, and 55. I'm just going to put this down here. 20, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, and 55. And we are going to finish this up. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Let's get a 10. 100. And then, oh, we already had it. Oops. Messed up already. Oh, well. Let's see. All right, let's see if I broke this down evenly. So 100, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. That's 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So $18. 1, 2, and 3. So $318. And I am hoping and praying that I do not owe taxes next year, because this will be great. $318 would be great to stuff with something else besides paying for taxes, you guys. All right, so moving on, we have eBay, debt, vacation, savings, Dobby, and medical funds. So after $277 minus 55, we have $222 to stuff in our sinking funds. So for eBay, we're going to be putting $40, and that is to either pay for like anything on Amazon that I need, like packing, tape, boxes, anything like that. Also, that includes going to thrift stores, going to yard sales, anything like that. I am going to just be putting $40. Half the time I just use my fund money for that, but you know, it's always fun to have extra money to spend on resources. Moving on to debt. So that debt, we are going to be putting $40 in that. Vacation, we are putting $102. And like I said, as you're watching this, we are already in Disney, and I'm already taking that $100 into our vacation. And I probably already spent it, to be honest. Savings, are we putting anything into savings? I think we're putting $40 in savings, but let's just be sure. And we're going to add $10 to Dobby and $10 to medical. Because my little cheat sheet, I didn't write down savings. So I'm not sure if I put it in there. Let's see. 222. Let's do 40 minus 102 minus 10 minus 10. And we still have $20 left. So savings should be $20. All right. So first off is going to be eBay, debt, and savings, because that is all going to be going into different envelopes. So I'm just going to put it in a YouTube channel, because I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be taking this to Disney, even though there is thrift stores that I want to go to, but it's probably going to be too expensive. So we're just going to put $40 into the YouTube and eBay. So that's 20, 40, and 60. Putting that in there. And then next is going to be our debt and our savings. So that's $40, $50, $60. And let me just update. Hopefully y'all can see this. It has $60. Yeah, y'all can see that. All right, so debt is going to be getting $40, which is going to still be $40. And then savings is still getting $20. Nothing extra, so 50, 60, 70. So 20, 40. 240, 40, 50, 60. So that is 60, 20, 40, 60. And we're going to put that in here. And that is going to be deposited later. Moving on to, let's do medical, because I think medical is first. And we are going to be putting $10 in. So we have $50 and we're putting $10 in. So we have $60. And then Dobby is getting $10 as well. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 15, and 20. So 120 for Dobby. And let's just update that real quick. So we have 120 for Dobby total, and then $60 for medical. And then last but not least is vacation, and that is getting $102. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, and 59. So we have $59, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So $559. And don't worry, guys, $559 is not all what we are taking to Disney. We also have Ibotta, so I did withdraw $500 from Ibotta because I did hit my $1,000 mark. $500 is for Christmas, and the other $500 is for vacation to Disney. Plus, I have a redemption card from my Chase card. I have $128 from that. Let's just do the math real quick, just so y'all would know how much I am bringing, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to say it in the vlog as well. $559 plus we have $128 on a redemption card that we can use for any dining, shops, anything like that. So that's $128. And then also we have our food challenge, so that's $480. And then also we have the Ibotta, which is $1667. I hope I'm doing this right. Let's start over. $559 plus Ibotta. So that's $1,000. And then we have the food challenge, which is $480. And then we have the redemption card. Then we also have, let's see what else. We have something else. Oh, we did just roll our money, and we have $227 is how much we added. So we'll have $1,894 to spend at Disney if we wish. Anything under that we did not spend will most likely either go to any of the challenges, savings, or to our next vacation, which is my birthday in January. So that's a little recap. I know we went, took a hard left and changed the subject. But anyways, so that is it for the eBay income, my side hustle income, Mercari income, whatever you want to call it. Let's just do a quick recap. So our income from eBay and Mercari was a total of $277. And then we took a taxes out for $55. That is 20%. And we have a total of $318 right now for taxes this year. The breakdown for eBay, the shipping was $131.20 and the fees was $50.73 with a total profit of $188. And I think before the fees and everything is a little over $300. So eBay, we gave ourselves $40, which equals to $60 in the YouTube and eBay little sinking fund that we have. Debt, we are putting $40 towards debt, which is our Capital One. Vacation is $102 that we added, so we have $559 right now. Savings, we put $20, and that's not going to change. We have roughly about $1,400 in savings as of right now. My goal is $1,500, where we can probably stop and then put that extra savings towards whatever we're putting towards savings to put towards debt. Dobby, we put $10 and he has $120 right now. And then medical, it got $10 and then we have $60 right now. So that is it, you guys. I hope y'all have a great rest of the weekend. Pray for us because we're going to be in Florida. We're going to be driving. We're going to be at Disney. Crazy people. A lot of people. But anyways, say a prayer for us while we are traveling down there and enjoying just our 1-year anniversary of being married. And stay tuned for tons of vlog footage, and follow me on Instagram and Snapchat because I'm pretty sure I'm going to be posting on that as well. But anyways, I love you guys and thank you so much for all of your loves and support, and I will see you guys later. Bye.